Hello everyone, this is me, Mom Shawie Vlog, and today we're going to explore Tamyon Bridge. Tamyon Bridge is a vital infrastructure landmark nestled in the heart of the Piran city, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines, serving as a crucial link between local communities and bridge enhances connectivity, facilitates trade, and supports daily transportation for residents and travelers alike. Surrounded by the natural beauty of the Pitan's landscape, Tamyun Bridge not only underscores the region's commitment to progress but also reflects its harmonious balance between development and nature. Its strategic location makes it an essential route for both economic activity and tourism, reinforcing the Pitans' role as a growing hub in northwestern Mindanao. Surrounded by lush greenery and natural waterways, the bridge offers travelers scenic views that reflect the raw beauty of the Pitans countryside. For locals, it is more than just a passageway. It is a daily road to education, livelihood, and opportunity. Tamyun Bridge also carries symbolic importance. As the Pitan is known as the shrine city of the Philippines, the place of exile of national hero Dr. Jose Rizal. Infrastructure like this bridges the past and the future. It represents the city's ongoing journey towards growth while honoring its cultural and historical roots. So, for visitors, it serves as a quiet reminder of how development and nature can coexist